Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this StrongArm AC powered electric winch. This is a compact electric winch that will be perfect for your indoor or fixed applications where you can easily plug it in. This does have a load capacity of 1,200 pounds based on a 10-foot pole. There are 3 different positions on our power switch here. And so we've got our load and unload, or in and out position, and as you can see, it automatically returns to that off position when you release it from either of those. This does have a gear ratio of 189 to 1, so it is going to load or have a load speed of about 35 feet per minute with no load and about 16 feet per minute with a full load. It does have a mechanical friction brake, so it will hold that load well for you. There is a spring-loaded clutch lever that will release the load so that you can spool out without having to have power and using that out button. So that is going to provide a nice smooth load control from a locked position, automatically returning back to that locked position when released. Like I said, this will work on your 120 volt AC operations. Just plugs right into your standard wall socket there. This is a 10-foot 3-wire ground power cord, so very easy to get plugged in as long as you're within 10 feet of outlet. This will draw about 6 amps on your 120 volt system. Be mindful that electric winches should be used intermittently, so the maximum continuous runtime is going to be about 4 minutes, so try and give it a break after about 4 minutes of use. They do include an emergency crank handle, so if you do lose power, you can open up this side here, use the crank handle to operate it in those kind of emergency situations. Our cable is a flexible, high-strength 7-strand by 19-gauge galvanized aircraft cable. This is about 3/16 of an inch in diameter, and you're going to get 20 feet of length here. Our safety snap hook is going to ensure that our load is securely attached. You can swap out this wire cable for a 2-inch wide strap if you like. That is sold separately. This does have this high impact weather resistant case. It's going to provide excellent protection for the internal components. It's also going to be safer than your open reel models. Going off of our measurements for the case, we're looking at an overall length of about, I'm going to say it's 10.5 inches long. Our width, the widest portion back here, is about 7.5 inches. And then our height, the highest point, we're at about 8.25 of an inch tall. On the front, we do have this brushed stainless steel front plate. It's going to provide superior rust resistance. On the bottom, we do have this die-formed base that is going to be great for quick mounting applications. So you can see we've got several different mounting holes here to give you an idea of our spacing. These 2 main holes here, center to center, are spaced approximately 2 5/8 of an inch apart. And then this hole here is pretty much center with those. And then center to center, right about 3 inches. Our smaller holes here, we're looking at about 1 7/8 of an inch from that farthest one to that center one. And then from our 2 farthest ones, they are about 7 inches apart. This is made here in the USA, so you can trust It is going to be made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the U.S. So if you are wanting to maybe switch out your manual winch to have the electric do the job for you, make it a much easier application for you, or for whatever reason you're wanting to add an electric winch to your setup, I think this is going to be a really great option for you. Make sure that weight capacity and all those other factors are going to work for your setup. If not, we do have other options available here at etrailer.com, so make sure you're getting the right one for you. That completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.